class. Today we're going to pick up with another part of Chapter 7, and we're going to talk about intranets. So it's a network within an organization that uses internet protocols and technologies for collecting, storing, and disseminating useful information that supports business activities. So employees use this for internal purposes. Companies also allow trusted business partners to access their intranets as well, such as maybe suppliers. I know Walmart really does a lot with an intranet and all of their EDI with their suppliers to make everything come to the store quicker. Use internet technology to solve organizational problems that have not been solved in the past. It is different than a LAN because it's set up behind a firewall. So you can't just get into the intranet, you have to get through the firewall, which is like a electronic gate that prevents someone from accessing your network or your data. I missed one thing here. And right there, defining and limiting access is important, obviously, for security reasons. So the internet versus the intranet. So anybody can use the internet, while the intranet has only approved users. So you can go, so anybody in the world can use the internet. However, the internet is only for internal use. So this is, though, faster than the internet because there's less information and less nodes on this network. And the security is much more strict in an intranet because it's user access. You have to be a user to access it. So what you can do with an intranet, the information you can get would be human resources information, sales and marketing information, production information, accounting, finance, and you can also plan your strategies from this information. Extranets. So those are secure networks that use the internet and web technologies to connect intranets of business partners. It facilitates communication between organizations or between consumers. It's considered to be a type of inter-organizational system. So like electronic funds transfer. So that is when the IRS sends direct deposit money to you for your tax return, and also electronic data interchange, EDI, which is what Walmart uses to contact with their suppliers. So Walmart has its own intranet within Walmart, and then it connects out to their suppliers, which would be an extranet. Now, the portal that you use is part of an intranet within Shamokin, but that is linked to the CSIU, which is our intermediate unit that supports us with some of the educational things that we have, such as the portal. So the extranet would actually be part of your portal. It allows companies to reduce internetworking costs. It provides a competitive advantage, so we don't have to develop our own software at Shamokin. We can use what the CSI uses, only have it for just Shamokin. It does require a comprehensive security system, so we want to make sure that nobody can just hack in and change grades or anything. Advantages: coordination. Everybody loves having everything at their fingertips, so we're satisfied. Cost reduction and expedited communication, so you can communicate faster. And there is simple extranet architecture, where you have the internet. Here you have suppliers, partners, you have an outer firewall, you have the extranet server, the inner firewall, and here you have all of your intranet applications with your computers and servers and data. And the comparison chart would be the internet is public for anybody, for anything. An intranet is private, which so is an extranet, and it's usually confidential information. An intranet is within an organization, hence intra, but an extranet would be a bunch of different organizations that work together that share a network. So if you think about an extranet would be like if each school district was its own like railroad station, and there was tracks connecting us to the CSIU to Milton, the CSIU to Shikellamy. So that would be the extranet. It would be like just a round loop of like a railroad track. All right. Well, we will pick up at the rest of Chapter 7 tomorrow, and get ready for a quick assignment. Hi class, you can see your assignment is the Chapter 7 portal assignment. List 3 items you like about the student portal. There are 3 things that you think are great to have, and 3 items you wish we had on the student portal and why. And that's it for today. All right, see you tomorrow.